in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Don't mind me, YouTube. I'm just checking out this 4K mode. I ain't gonna lie, it's busting right now. Yo, that's crazy. I've been making vlogs for a whole year now, and I'm just now putting my phone in 4K mode. That's wild, ain't it? Yo, YouTube, I appreciate y'all rocking out with me for another vlog. Before we jump into this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let me get a thumbs up on this video. And let me get a thumbs up for the 4K mode, y'all. The channel going up. I'm trying to make everything better, you feel me? I'm gonna lie to y'all, today's video will probably be something that I'll be doing just on my own, just chilling. I probably wouldn't even have thought to vlog this. But we got the channel now, YouTube lit, we going up. So I had to make sure to vlog this for you guys. So today, I'm just gonna be washing down a couple pairs of shoes, just the two main pairs, them Travis Scott SBs and them Travis Scott low tops. I got my Travis Scott SBs from Sneak City, and I got my low tops on the sneakers draw. For anybody that's wondering, before we get started, it's a lot of companies out here that say, oh, our cleaner's the best. If you're not using this cleaner and conditioner, then your shoe's not getting conditioned and this and that. I'm not gonna lie to you. All you really need is some soap and some water. If you got soap and water, then you good. If you got an old toothbrush or old washcloth, you can really use whatever. So don't get caught up in, oh, I need some sneaker cleaner, this and that. You know what I'm saying? All right, YouTube, so I'm gonna start off with these Travis Scott lows. They almost got a film of dust over them, especially on the black part. It's super noticeable to me. I don't know if y'all can see it. You can see it on this one though. They got like a film of dust over them. How I end up doing that is I went to a car show out here in Seattle, and the car show was on grass, and the grass was freshly cut. So that's how I came out with the shoes looking like that. So I'm about to pull the laces out of these and bring them back to life, y'all. Let's get it. I should change these lace colors to red. I got the red laces put up too. I'll probably just end up putting black back in there though. Wear your kicks, people. Wear your kicks. They ain't gonna do nothing but sit in the box, catch mold, or crumble. Wear your kicks. You should always wear your kicks. If you got it to wear them. If you don't, then resell them joints. Get your money. I ain't never gonna be the person standing there talking about, you know, trying to bash resellers. I wouldn't be where I am right now if it wasn't for the resale, if it wasn't for the camp out, if it wasn't for line bullying and all that. Just being honest, I hate these on sneakers though. Got the laces out, y'all. For the people that, oh bro, let me check your shoes. I know it's people watching that want to see this what a real pair look like. If I can pull the insole out, I'll do that. Get this glued in there. If your Travs don't look like this, they fugazi. All right, YouTube, so I got the shoelaces out. They're ready to get clean. I got my soap and water over here. I had a sponge under the sink too, so I put that on there too. I might have to grab some more water in that, but it's all good. We about to jump straight into it. About to move these over here. Put this towel down. I figured it was only right though, YouTube. I figured it was only right, literally, because these is grails for some people, so why not make a video washing them down? You know what I'm saying? Real sneakerheads gonna enjoy it. I'll show y'all the bottoms. They still pretty new. I don't wear the shoes all like that, so I don't need to scrub the whole shoe down per se with a brush like this. I pretty much just need to go over the shoe with a toothbrush and a sponge. Start off with the uppers, getting these right. Getting these right. Don't be scared, it's just some water. Shoes needed for sure. It's just some water. Soap and water. God. They looking super dark now. Getting these together. One shoe. Grab some crap. Show you what I'm gonna do. Put a little bit of soap. You can use whatever soap you want, but this time I'm gonna get these soles right. Just the front. Y'all can see that dirt. Super happy to get this shoe off the sneakers app though. Definitely been a head turner whenever I wear them out. These and the SBs. Right there. All right, YouTube, so the one on the left has just been cleaned. The brown's still a little bit wet, but y'all can see the difference. These shoes needed to be cleaned so bad. I don't think I was rough on them at all. Just used a normal sponge. It worked wonders. Man, these shoes was low-key beat. It's time to clean this one. All right, YouTube, so I just finished up the Travis Scott lows. I'm happy with the results. They looking super clean. This black looks way more refreshed. And that wasn't nothing but just a sponge and some crap protect. But I could have used any soap. Waiting on this back part to dry off the rest of the way. So look, now that I got them all cleaned up, I can't put the old laces back in there. Those are dirty. What laces should I put in? I'm thinking these red ones. So we're gonna drop these in and I'll show you guys the final results. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Shoe pretty much dried off now. So y'all can see the end result. I actually washed this one first. So this one fully dried off. Man. And it's cool because the midsole is off-white. So even if they is not all the way spot clean on the bottom, it don't really matter because it's already off-white. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Look like a brand new shoe, really. The shoes was already still brand new. Only wore them a couple times. Grails. Now I got the SBs out. But I was really thinking, as y'all can see, I wear these shoes a lot. I'm gonna continue to wear these shoes a lot. I actually spilled something on these shoes. But this is a SB, you guys. So
A shoe like this is really made to be beat up, dirty. The front part of these shoes actually tears off. I got even something right there too. Like the front part of these shoes tear off, and there's a whole nother pattern up under here, you guys. So comment down below. Let me know what you think. Should I clean these shoes, or should I just keep beating these shoes up like they were made to be? All right, YouTube, I appreciate y'all tapping in with me, really relaxing with me while I just cleaned up my shoes. This is something that's just as relaxing for me as cleaning up the car, cleaning up a pair of super rare sneakers, something that I enjoy. I can share with y'all. I know people are looking at these shoes, and there's people out there that will actually kill for these shoes, you guys, but I just want to say, don't get caught up in it too much. Don't get lost in the sauce. If you want the shoes, save up, trade up, or get them however you got to get them. I'm not going to judge you, y'all. Keep baking up, staying true. Until next video, I'm gone.
Pull a scat pack, I secure that bag, on my way to the cash. I need the racks, Smoking on niggas, how they smoking on the gas,